Over time, as you continue to do this, your brain will start getting used to those signals and it'll start re-triggering, hey, okay, I don't need to eat right now. Like to give you an example, for me, it took me about 6 or 7 bites. The pain receptors, not the pain receptor, but the spice receptors start kicking in. Then it triggered to my brain, okay, put the plate down, put the fork down, take a break and just sit there. And so what I started doing at that time, I brought my book to read with me. And this is one of the reasons, like if you see me out and about and I'm always reading, that's one of the reasons why. These are just little ways that I trigger my brain to, okay, stop eating, take a break. And then when I'm taking these breaks, what it does in that stillness moment, I can actually reevaluate, do I still have hunger? And then if the answer is yes, I take some more bites after that reevaluation. And then it's a whole nother cycle all over again. Take a few bites, then the spice kick up again, take a break, put everything down, maybe start reading my book. Then am I hungry? I start reevaluating, do I still have hunger? And sometimes the answer be yes, sometimes the answer be no. And what I've learned as I've been watching me do these habits, it stops me from overeating. I don't actually finish most meals.